శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గలితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవసంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీసుఖయోగీంద్ర. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు నరనారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీదేవి, వ్యాసమహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. ఇన్ శ్రీమద్భాగవతం తృతీయ స్కంధం, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Diti came to Kasyapa. Now Diti is getting scared, regretting for all the mistakes that she has done, and also worrying if her pregnancy is going to be ruined. When Diti was worrying like that, Kasyapa saying to Diti like this, "O Diti, your mind was not in a pure condition, and you have done what you should not be doing. I have told you so many times, but you did not listen to me. You did a grave mistake towards Paramasiva. Hoditi, that is why bhavishyataha tava abhadrau abhadre జాఠర అధమౌ. హోదితి, దర్పోద్ధతులు ఇద్దరు కొడుకులు నీకు పుట్టి ధరణికి వ్రేగై నిరతము బుధజన పీడాపరులై వర్తింతురు ఆత్మబల గర్వమునన్. హోదితి, because of the sin that you committed, 2 sons are going to be born to you, and they will be very bad sons. 3 lokan muhuhu akrandayishyatah. They will always cause so much of destruction and pain, suffering to all 3 worlds. They will be causing so much of trouble to all the entities, and they will be grabbing so many women. Kopiteshu mahatmasu. They will irritate all the great people. Because of that, all the mahatmas will be getting anger on them. Hoditi, మహాత్ములు అలిగి విశ్వవిదుడైన హరికి నివిన్నవింప అతడు కోపించి హరి కులిస ఆయుధమున గిరుల నరికిన గతి వారి ధరణి కూల్చు. When all the Mahatmas getting anger on your sons, then Paramatma comes down, Srimannarayana comes down, and as and how Indra with his Vajrayudham destroys all the mountains, just like that Srimannarayana is going to punish both of your sons. Like that, Kasyapa saying to Diti, what happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.